We played Animal Hospital. Now, last time we played, we got eaten by a mimic. So our goal is to get the second coffee machine and get the badge. I'm pretty sure. Is there a badge? Let me see.
What's there, brother? No.
Oh, there's no badge. Someone is just saying no, 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 no. Like, what's the reason? Alright, let's play. Wait, I got an AFK. Alright guys, sorry for the wait. Oh my god. I had to tell my family, oh my god, to not come to my room because I'm recording, obviously. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, okay. My god. So stressed out about the coffee machine. Okay. Alright, Midnight Chimera. Patient. Normal. Registered. Room 2. Who's next? Rusty Lynn. Rusty Lynn. Oh my god. What is wrong with these names? Sorry. You didn't hear that. You're normal. Just double checking. Yeah, you're normal. Room 7. Who's next? Alright. Okay, you're normal on the cameras. Let's see you on the in the photo. Let it develop and then check. Normal. Roommate, you gotta perform surgery on Bear Idol. Okay, work. Alright, just checking for something in my room. Okay, let's continue. Oh, okay, crashed onto my bed. Okay, let's see what's wrong with you. Okay. Okay. Stomach ache. You need herbs. Should be good. Now this guy will need eye drops. Pretty sure. Dried eyes. See eye drops. I'm the best doctor. I treat anyone and anything. Now I was recording another thing, another shot of this same video, but I realized I didn't reset my VPN, because if my VPN ran out, my internet would become bad and I would disconnect. So that's why. Art scan complete. So I stopped that recording and I started to record this one. Fever, you need a thermostat. Like, how does a thermostat cure a fever? So that's my question. But anyways, it's just a game. You don't complain. Roommate, surgery. Okay, let's put anesthesia. IV drops. Bandages. Organ. Transplant. Antibiotics. Need this, and antibiotics. Did it. 4000. Excellent. Yes. Okay, who's next? Oh, it's Ron. Ron from counting. How long has it been? You want me to book you an appointment? Because I could. Yeah, we know, Ron. Only Ron's just here to get treated and tell us about creepy stories. Usually Ron is not an anomaly, so we can let him in. But seriously, his last name is so long, it's gonna waste the printer's ink. patient. See you. Normal. Room 5. I don't feel so good. Yeah, so just stand up, book an appointment. Where's you with just standing there? Mike Thomas. Yeah, you're normal. Okay. Good. Mike Thomas. Room 1. Wait, we should be telling them what room they go. Why are they just going to whatever room they want? Room 1. Enter freely, sir. Let's see what's wrong with you. Fever, bleeding. A thermostat and bandages. There you go. Should be good as new. Who's next? Room 4. Ron. Let's see what's wrong with you, Ron. Okay. Fever. I need a thermostat. Should be good as new. Room 5. Flu and fever. Cough syrup and a thermostat. Should be good as new. It's raining. It's the first time we have experienced rain. Now, if you don't know, rain is an event, is a shift where only fish people come in. There's a small chance to be anomalies, but still, anomalies can appear. And they speak differently. Now I learned a word in their language. Patient becomes Bubadient. They're normal. Well, like, there are small amounts of anomalies in rain shifts. I mean, special people like Raphael, Barney can still arrive, but mainly fish arrive. Banks. Ubib, Ubil, Ubeb, Ubin, Ubum. 3. Okay, see? First anomaly, it's a fish. Wait, let's see what it's like to taste a fish anomaly. Yeah, it's the same result. And another fish anomaly. Lows. Oh. Ubim sububa subabuba ubi hubahaba uban uban. Okay. But they won't understand. No, you're not now. Yeah, you're normal. So I just threw you in. Hey, what's your real name? Saba Salmon. Okay, so the prince are gonna translate. Ubi Ubum 8. So I've learned that room becomes Rubum. Ubim Gubupi Ubu Ube. Ubi Haba. Oh no. Oh no. No, shutters. Oh no. Okay. Let's hold on this coffee for Barney. You're twitching. Lock. Close. Okay. They speak goofy. They speak fish language. And they always say subup. Ubim fublipani subiwi bibits. Ubi haburebe fubor my abubabointment. I mean, I kind of like this event. It's pretty cool. Ubub. Yeah. You're normal. So register you in the system. Finlay seaweeds. Okay. Now street. Oh, it's not. Oh, yeah. Finally, Barney. Is Barney gonna... Wait, did Barney appear? Oh no, I think this is the first time he's here. Yeah, it's his first time coming this ship. I mean, this game. Yeah, sure, Barney, I prepared it for you. It's gloop. Let's do something about it. I cleaned up the goop. Goop and goop. Who's next? Subup. Subima subupo ng blue. Oh, he's visiting. He's visiting someone. I kind of like that. Yeah, he's normal. Just let him in. Wait. You're salmon. I think earlier another salmon came in. So he's visiting. He's visiting his brother. Oh, it's Rafi. Okay, let's let you in. Yeah, we know, Raphael. We all hear things. We all see things. What are you talking about? Let's take your photo. Okay. You're good. One more person remaining. It's a fish. It's a fish. Wait. Yeah, you're normal. My hands got tired. Okay, you're normal. Should be good. Okay, job stress? For what reason? I lost one sanity because of job stress, because it always happens. Alright. Fever, stomachache, Canadian. You have a lot wrong with you. For your fever, stomachache, and because you're Canadian. You should be good. Stomachache. You need herbs. Should be good. Bruises, low sugar, bleeding. Okay, I have just the right stuff. For your bruises, for your bleeding, for your low blood sugar. Like, good. Fever, headache, dehydration. Fever, headache, dehydration. Should be good. Now let's go to emergency. We gotta perform surgery. some medicine. Scissors. Scissors over here. The 3s are bad. This, and it was a scalpel. Yes. 5100. Good. New supplies, new supplies. I don't need anything. Okay, they're normal. Room 3. Oh. Should just take the taser. His last word was hey. Ron is here. Yeah, we know, Ron. We know. You're good. I mean, you're always good, so should let you win. Room 2, who's next? Oh, it's a void anomaly. It's a void anomaly. Close the shutters. Okay, see you. Okay, you're normal. Yeah, you're normal. Just let you in. Room 8. Soar clouds. Okay, you're normal. Let's see, you're normal. Room 7. 3 more to go. You're normal. I don't see anything cursed about it, so let you in. Two more to go. Oh. Two more to go still. I don't see anything wrong, so let's register you in. One more to go. Who's next? Oh, it's Raphael. Raphael. Okay. Okay, we can just let Raphael in. He's not an anomaly. Okay, let's work. Wait a second, wait. Okay, let's see what's wrong with you. Stomachache, bruises. Herbs. Medkit. Okay, take this. Good. Room 2. Ron. Dehydration, flu. We need IV drops. And get cough syrup. Okay. Room 3. Fever, dried eyes, bleeding. Okay. Fever, dried eyes, bleeding. headache, Canadian bruises. For your headache, just because you're Canadian, and for your bruises. Okay. Room 6, X-ray. Okay. Pink, pink, blue, red. You have a rash and low sugar. For your rash and low sugar. Yeah. Prepare you for cardio. Rash, dehydration, fever. For rash, for dehydration, for your fever. Okay. Now we gotta perform surgery. IV drops, transplant, scalpel. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I need a bandage. It's going towards scissors. Need to finish this fast. I have 24 seconds. Transfer. Should be good. Stop eating him. Stop. We lost one. We lost one. Okay. It's just one. So it doesn't matter. Okay, anomaly attack. Whew, we're gonna be dead. We lost one. We lost one. We lost one. Oh no, we lost one. I don't have to lose one again. Oh no. It's just one. Yeah. Okay. Room 2. 5. Start in room 2. Critical patient in room 1. Oh my god. Visitor fainted. What do I do with this visitor that fainted? Go, go, go. Gotta work on my patient in room 1. Go. It's dangerous. 2 anomalies at a time. Oh no. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. You have a fever. It saw me. It saw me. Ah! Fever. Take this. Whew. At least we did it. Okay, this guy is not an anomaly because in the fire, if a person doesn't faint, then they're an anomaly. But if they do, they aren't. They aren't. Fever, Canadian bleeding. Thermostat. Bleeding. Okay, room 3. Stomachache crash. For rash and your stomachache. There you go. Should be good. Room 4. Seriously? He's an anomaly. You should just tase him. Gotta focus on him. Okay, yeah, okay, he's good. My eyes hurt. Damn it. Ooh, so tired, but you gotta do it to get the coffee machine. Should be good. Okay, roommates. Surgery. We can't lose another. Oh no. Can't lose another. Medicine. 2 medicines at a time. Take this. And this. Go, 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 go. ritual in room 5. Eye drops. Get the eye drops. I didn't get it. No. Can't lose another. We can't lose another. Don't lose another. We can't lose another. We're losing another. Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna get it back. Okay. Whew. I did really bad. If I lose another, I'm dead. I die. Okay. We gotta lock in now. We gotta focus on the others. 10, 0, 1, 2. Critical. I did really bad. No. No. We're gonna do this later. See you guys.